All right, y'all. I've got my salted caramel. It's coming right here on top of my no-bake cheesecake. Ooh, this looks so good. Now I've got my strawberry glaze, sugar-free. I'm just going to put a little bit of this right here on top of my marshmallows. Beautiful. And I'm going to put a little on top of these strawberries too, just to enhance their flavor. This is looking gorgeous. Now I'm coming in with my Hershey's Genuine Chocolate Syrup. I'm going to put some of this on the marshmallows as well. And you may have noticed this is actually a layer of crepe that we have here at the bottom. A thin, beautiful crepe, perfect for desserts. All right, I'm just adding a little bit of cinnamon right on top of my caramel, salted caramel, and no-bake cheesecake, just to give this another little dimension of flavor here. We are just gonna close the lid on our habibichi for 3 minutes to let this cook. Alrighty, y'all, we've just had this cooking for 3 minutes. Look at these beautiful toasted marshmallows. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it through your screen. It just smells incredible. I'm gonna start at this end. I just wanna lift this up. I'm gonna get this going. You know how they do crepes in Paris, is they fold them. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm just getting underneath here very gently. All right, our first layer. Oh, look at that. And it's perfectly done on the bottom, not burnt at all. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna keep folding this over. I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna get this from the side. Oh, it looks incredible, y'all. Oh my God, crepes are my favorite food. I wanna go to Paris as soon as I can. Someday Marty's gonna take me there and it's gonna be, I know it's gonna be the greatest experience of my life. Look at this, I'm just folding her in just like that. Oh, look at this giant crepe. Oh my God, perfectly cooked. Now I'm just gonna get underneath. Okay, mademoiselle. Un, deux, trois. Perfect. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put some of our marshmallows that seeped out just right on top there. Nothing going to waste. That looks gorgeous. Oh, look at that. I'm just coming back in with a little bit more of that sugar-free strawberry glaze. It's not pouring out quite as well as I'd like it to, but that's fine. I'm just gonna jizzle it right on there. Beautiful. Our Hershey's chocolate syrup. Oh, just like Paris. I can see the Eiffel Tower right now. And of course, you can't have a crepe without some beautiful, delicious whipped cream right on top. My dogs are inside right now, so they're not getting any. I'm just gonna cut myself a nice sized piece here. I'm just using my habibichi spatula. Beautiful. And pop this right up onto my plate. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Those layers with all that goodness, our cheesecake, our marshmallows, our strawberries, Nutella, those sauces and glaze. Oh, what more could you want, y'all? This is, oh, the dream. Oh my God. Wow. This is the best thing I've ever made, y'all. You gotta try it.